Hey guys, Papa D here with Papa D's Range Time, coming to you from South Louisiana. Today I'm running the Glock 43. It's a 9mm. I've got an outside the waistband holster, 2 magazines on my side, and I'm using a movement drill here. So I've got 4 steel targets against the backstop, and then I have interference, people, blockages, whatever in front. So I'm going to start in the box. I'll be facing uprange. When the timer goes off, I have to turn into the targets, find the targets, and then I'll have to move off the X. You hear a lot of trainers talk about move off the X, and getting off the X and being able to find the other steel targets, being able to get good shots on them without hitting any innocents, and 2 rounds each on each of them. The camera's going to have to be moved to try to get better angles. I just wanted to set it up here so you could see that the targets are not in clear view. I also have the final target as a headshot only, so I've got to slow down, concentrate, and make sure I get good hits without hitting the hostage. So thank you for watching. Let's see how we can do. Again, I'm going to move the camera, and I'll be moving, so we're going to see how this works out. Thank you. Alright guys, the 2-handed drill went pretty well. I'm going to do the same thing now with 1-handed, since I am holding something in my left hand, trying to take in practice my strong hand shooting. I'll do the same thing later with my support hand, maybe not at 15 yards, but we'll take and see how it works out. Let's shoot this thing. One-handed, support, strong hand only. All guys are dead. All right, guys, we're back. This time it's going to be support hand shooting. Probably going to need more magazines. Probably have a few misses. Still trying to get 2 hits on each target, and I'm still starting with the timer. Again, my gun is on my right side. I have to be able to access it with my left hand, which I know I can do. It won't look graceful, but I can get to it. Reloads are also going to be from the left hand only, without the use of the right hand. So trying to take and make this as real life as possible. This is generally my attire whenever I'm going into town, just shorts and flip-flops or sandals, and a gun outside. A lot of times I'll just have a cover garment over my gun, and that conceals it pretty well, especially the 43, since it's such a slim gun. So let's run this rounds and let's see how we can do. That was definitely not a clean run. Way too many misses. I just couldn't get my focus and my sight picture on that second target. Lots of practice needed for support hand shooting. Again, 15 yards with the Glock 43, body size targets. I need to do better. Thank you for watching. See you down the road on the next video.